Tuesday. It's our last day here. I'm eating oatmeal for breakfast. We got eggs and stuff. Cinnamon, oranges, and then passion fruit juice. I might get coffee as well. But we're gonna eat this. My mom has online class, so she's doing that, and then we're gonna go out. It looks really gloomy today, like it's gonna rain. So we'll see. So I'm back. I just have, simple outfit on, some jeans. We are gonna go meet up with my grandma's sister today. So just gonna hang out. I think we're gonna see if we can look at neighborhoods. And yeah, just hang out for the day. Today's our last full day. So the weather's not too hot, it's not too cold. So we're just doing that. So I'm going to take you along with me so we can see this last day. I might include today and tomorrow's when we get back to Philly in one vlog. I don't think I'll be vlogging a lot tomorrow, to be honest, though. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I have no makeup on, just some eyeliner and lip gloss. I don't feel like doing my makeup, but yep.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Northwest 25th Street.
Look.
Akide Rosen. See the Akide one here. What is? No one.
Like mango.
What's one mango? Yeah. See coconut tea.
Wow.
Oh, look at this. So cute.
Yes. See all the street them here. Coconut line them. Mango tree. Oh my god. Oh my god.
And this big mango tree here.
Yes.
Yeah. It's quiet too.
It's like all these different type of trees.
Yes.
The destination is on your left.
Guys, I'm here where my grandma's sister lives, and it feels like I'm in Jamaica. Like it's freaking me out. Like I feel like I'm up where, like in a scheme. Like the houses look, I feel like I'm home. I've seen so many ackee trees. Like it's so nice here. And so quiet. Like you don't even see people out like that. The only thing that's different is that they don't have like verandas. That's the only thing. Like, but the houses are like the same. It's crazy. Yeah.
Yeah, they make it seem way probably if they want to make them put the actual
coconut tree to
yes, all of them say yes. So
yeah, kind of tree over there.
you say I see you with See me. America.
Yes. So guess what? You hear my band?
Me say me see my walk.
I see. Yeah. So when you sit there, I realize
Eh. This is probably here. Probably looking at here. I'm seeing you. Are you still a little
Feels so nice. Currently at the mall, you guys. I think it's called Sawgrass Mall. So we're just exploring, seeing. They have a Mac store, guys. But trying to see what they have. They have a Crocs store. I need to get some Crocs, but I think I'm gonna get them online. I think I'm gonna get my Crocs online because I got a coupon the last time I bought some Crocs for like 20% off. So I'm gonna do that when I get back home. I want the ones with the fur inside so that I can wear it when it gets cold. But this is nice. I've never been to the Rainforest Cafe before. It looks like it's raining. Like, it's nice. I guess you can plan like a birthday party. I've always heard about it, but never been. Look at this fake snake and the monkey. Alright, go back. Let me get one footage of you over there. It's so cute. Hey, Tori. This one's called the Fleur Elixir. It's good. But I don't know why I'm in here. I love smelling scents too much. But it's not like I can bring them because they're too big. Somewhere after you're just going about somebody wants to spray yourself. But like I was saying, this one is really good. It smells good. Peach Prosecco macaron. I wish I could take it. I wish I could get it, but you know you can't bring those stuff. Or I wish I had a candle. I don't see it. Oh, I do. Oh, I'm gonna have to get this when I get back. So guys, they're doing the Black History Month one. Let's see. This one is called. I'm not buying it, but Confident. I don't care if they made these with black creators. I don't know how I feel about Bath and Body Works selling these. I don't know. It smells fine, but I don't know. I feel like you should just support black owned. But they do have some cool stuff though. It smells good. But yeah, the Confident one is Champagne Toast. They just renamed them for Black History Month. Y'all, I'm currently in Walmart. We're trying to find some type of fever grass thingy. so that my stepdad can bring it back for a friend.
Sorry, but you can't take pictures in the store.
Oh, my bad. Alright, you guys, so I just got back to the hotel. I wrapped my hair because it started raining, so some got on it. So I was like, let me hurry up and just wrap this. I might have to run the straightener over it tomorrow, but when I get home, because I think I'm gonna pin curl it. So yeah, I'm about to go pack my bag, you know, make sure everything's in there, and then I'm gonna go lie down. It's not late, it's like 7:40. So we just got back from seeing my aunt, and yeah, it was a fun day. It rained. We're gonna go into the pool, but it's raining, so that's not gonna happen. But we did go to the beach twice, so, and we did sit by the pool last night. But yeah, I got t-shirts, sweatpants, and yeah, I'm about to go do that, pack my bags, eat something, and watch some movies. We gotta wake up early tomorrow because our flight boards at 6:50 in the morning. So we get home really early. Hopefully all goes well this time. And we'll be back in Philly by like 10:30 in the morning. So yeah. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna put both together. And yeah, see you in the morning. Bye. Alright, what is up, you guys? Good morning. Currently at the airport. Just went through TSA. And my parents are taking their slow ass time, like they don't, like our flight doesn't start boarding in less than 20 minutes. Anyways, I'm walking ahead of them because I don't have the patience. Our gate is E7, so I'm gonna go make sure nothing's up, no cancellations like last time. Because that's what be pissing me off when you be sitting there and then they cancel the flight.
Good morning, Jamaican. Turning on flight 607 services to Las Vegas. My name is auntie, assisting you today along with Georgia out of gate E6. If your board passes your group, you have your limited to one person out of the in front of you in the airport. Any individual who passes
I'm looking to see if I see any Starbucks because I could drink some. Not coffee. I think I want like a latte. So I don't see any Starbucks down here. Like we're at the end of it. So guess no coffee for me.
At this time, Spirit Flight 174.
So, I just wanted to say I love there. That's fine. I have but I think it started off as search.
Guys, we're on the plane now, and yeah, when I tell you this plane is empty, like for all this crap we went through on Saturday, because we barely got on a flight after they canceled our last flight. Like this one, there's nobody on there like that. Like people can space out if they want. And yep, we're about to head back into the cold to Philly. Should get there by 10:07. Probably earlier than that, since boarding was done really fast. Right? I'll see you when we get back. Alright, you guys, so I have arrived. I'm going to get some Starbucks real quick before I leave so that I can just drink that since I didn't eat anything really. But yeah, this was a great trip. I'm out of breath because I'm walking so fast, but please make sure to like this video, subscribe. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.